Welcome back to the Star channel and to another episode of Star Sweets. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make fudgy brownies. So if you're interested, keep watching.
On the Star channel, we'll sing our hearts out loud. We'll share tales of wonder and make you feel proud. With every craft we try, a masterpiece will appear. So join us on this journey and let your dreams steer. Let your dreams steer.
Over a simmering pot of water, you're gonna add your bowl with some butter, sugar, cocoa powder, and salt. Now you mix all of that up over the heat. Use oven mittens to avoid getting burnt. And mix until everything is well incorporated. Full measurements for all the ingredients will be in the description below, so make sure to check it out after watching this video. We're gonna let this cool for 5 minutes. While our mixture cools, it's time to prep our pan, and you can also preheat your oven at this time. Start by buttering our pan very well. We're gonna add our first sheet of parchment paper. And we're also gonna butter that well. Add in our second sheet, which we will not butter. Just butter the first one so that the second sheet can be able to stick well to the pan. And then we are done prepping our pan. Time to add in our eggs one at a time and beat it into the mixture. It's time to add our vanilla extract, just a teaspoon. And remember, full measurements for all the ingredients will be in the description below. This is a great time to subscribe if you haven't already, and I post more videos like this, and you can find more baking videos like this under my Star Sweets playlist in my channel. We're gonna sift in our flour, and that is our last ingredient. sure not to overmix. Your batter should be smooth and thick. It's time to add our batter into our pan and bake it at 350 for 18 to 20 minutes. Our brownies are done, and when you put a toothpick into it, it should come out with a few fudgy crumbs. You can take your brownies out of the pan and let them cool for at least 30 minutes before slicing and enjoying. Now that our brownies are cooled, it's time to slice into them. As you can see, by just cutting into them, you can see how fudgy they are. So if you liked this video, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss another baking video. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.